And g'day, thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you my barge launch rocket. Barge itself is made out of Coke cans, sort of like a catamaran arrangement, on a bit of plywood, and then the main components are the driver motor, which helps erect the launch rail. The main power supply here is used to actually ignite the engine, and the electronics bay, which is all housed inside here. And that consists of the Arduino board and the 2.4 gigahertz receiver. Here you have the power supply for the electronics, power supply for the winch. The rocket I used is a small home-built one using a B6 engine, and it's got a deflector plate, and all this is remote controlled. It does not have its own propulsion system, so it will need to be towed out prior to use. However, the erector mechanism is remote controlled, so is the ignition source. This is an example of how you would raise the launch rail. And then when it comes to firing it, you flick the switch over here and close the relay switch, which will then complete the circuit to ignite the motor. In this example here, took a bit of a shortcut, used aluminium strip to act as a heat deflector, but it didn't work too well. However, it did protect the rest of it. The winching system uses a motor, which then reels in a cable, which is then tied to the launch rail like that. So it can be raised or lowered. And there's the demonstration of the motor, which acts as a winch. The servo there is just to ensure that you cannot raise the winch without having to push another button on the controller. Although a little bit messy, there's the Arduino board, there's a H-bridge controller which powers the winch, there's a 2.4 gigahertz receiver, and there's a relay switch for the igniter. And under this is just a 12-volt battery supply to power the igniter when the time comes. And in this example I want to make sure it actually floated, and it looks like it does. And here we can see the remote control raising and lowering of the launch rail. For launch day, there was quite a bit of wind, so we just tethered it to the other side of the dam and we'll just launch it from there. Overall, I'm happy with the outcome. Thanks for watching.